Welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to make your home feel both timeless and modern, then you'll love today's design style. It's called Transitional Home Decor, the perfect balance between classic elegance and contemporary simplicity. In 2026, this style is becoming one of the most popular interior design trends because it creates homes that feel warm, luxurious, comfortable, and never go out of fashion. In today's video, we'll explore the best transitional home decorating ideas for 2026 and show you how to achieve this sophisticated look in every room of your home. Let's get started. Home Chapter 1. What is transitional design? Transitional design combines the warmth of traditional interiors with the clean lines of modern design. Instead of choosing one style over another, it blends the best features of both. You'll often see classic moldings paired with sleek furniture, elegant chandeliers mixed with minimalist decor, and timeless color palettes complemented by modern finishes. The result is a home that feels balanced, inviting, and effortlessly elegant. Paint Palette Chapter 2. Warm neutral color palette. Every transitional home begins with a calming color palette. In 2026, interior designers recommend shades like warm white, cream, soft beige, gris, taupe, and light gray. These colors create an airy, sophisticated atmosphere while allowing furniture and decor to become the focal point. Adding subtle black accents or natural wood tones helps create contrast without overwhelming the space. Couch and Lamp Chapter 3. Mix classic and modern furniture. Furniture is where transitional style truly shines. Imagine a classic upholstered sofa paired with a sleek marble coffee table or modern accent chairs placed beside a traditional fireplace. The goal is balance, not matching everything perfectly. Mixing textures, shapes, and materials creates depth while keeping the room comfortable and visually interesting. Light Bulb Chapter 4. Layered lighting. Lighting can completely transform the mood of a room. Rather than relying on one overhead fixture, transitional interiors use layered lighting. Combine elegant chandeliers with table lamps, wall sconces, and warm LED lighting to create depth and comfort. Soft lighting enhances every texture and makes your home feel more luxurious. Herb Chapter 5. Natural materials and textures. Natural materials are essential to transitional decorating. Wood furniture, marble countertops, linen fabrics, woven baskets, stone accessories, and handcrafted ceramics bring warmth and authenticity into the home. Layering different textures creates richness without making the room feel cluttered. The goal is understated luxury. Framed Picture Chapter 6. Decorating with purpose. One common mistake is adding too many decorative pieces. Instead, choose a few larger statement items. An oversized mirror, a beautiful piece of artwork, a ceramic vase filled with greenery, or a stack of coffee table books creates a polished designer look. Every item should have a purpose and contribute to the overall style. Cell Phone Chapter 7. Modern comfort and smart features. Today's transitional homes also embrace modern technology. Smart lighting, automated shades, hidden speakers, and wireless charging stations make everyday living easier while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. Comfort is just as important as style. The most beautiful homes are designed to be lived in, not just admired. Transitional home decor proves that timeless style never goes out of fashion. By combining classic details with modern simplicity, warm colors, natural textures, and thoughtful decorating, you can create a home that feels elegant, welcoming, and beautifully balanced. Which transitional decorating idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home tours, decorating ideas, and interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. A truly beautiful home isn't about following every trend, it's about creating a space that feels timeless, comfortable, and uniquely yours.